universe. Have you ever stood under a night sky and felt connected? Like something bigger is moving through you? That's not imagination, that's cosmic waves. And whether you know it or not, they shape your life. The universe is living in you. Have you ever gazed at the night sky and felt a mysterious connection? That's not your imagination. That's the power of cosmic waves moving through you. Everything is energy. Cosmic waves are energy vibrations born from stars, supernovas, and cosmic events. They travel across the universe and flow through us every day. These waves influence your thoughts, your emotions, and even your sense of purpose. The same atoms that form you were forged in stars, said RS Inspire World. Ever felt drained for no reason? Cosmic storms or solar flares might be shifting the frequencies around you. Or maybe you felt inspired at unexpected moments. That could be you catching a high cosmic frequency. Cosmic waves help release stuck emotions, spark creativity, and connect you to the collective consciousness. How to align with cosmic energy. Here's how you can silence daily. Cosmic waves are subtle. Find quiet time. Breathe intentionally. Deep breathing aligns your rhythm with cosmic flow. Meditate under sky. Morning sun or night stars magnify cosmic connection. Listen to intuition. Messages often come as gut feelings during cosmic shifts. Journal cosmic days. Note how you feel during full moons, eclipses, solar flares. To tune in, find silence daily. Breathe deeply and intentionally. Meditate under the morning sun or night stars. Listen to your intuition. Those gut feelings are often cosmic messages. Journal how you feel during full moons or solar flares. Remember, you are part of the cosmic dance. The universe moves through you. Embrace the waves and grow with the stars. The cosmic waves don't just move through space, they move through you. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're not separate. You're part of the cosmic dance. Comment below, have you ever felt cosmic energy shift your day? Like, share, and subscribe to RS Inspire World. Let's grow with the stars together.